What if your operating system could give you the competitive edge in gaming? In the next 3 minutes, we're revealing the best OS for gamers that could transform your experience. Hey gamers, I'm your name from your channel name. Today we'll break down the top operating systems for gaming covering performance, compatibility, and unique gaming features. Whether you're a PC enthusiast or a casual gamer, stay tuned to discover which OS might just be your secret weapon. Performance is crucial. The best OS for gaming should minimize overhead and maximize resource allocation. Windows has long been the go-to due to its extensive driver support and gaming optimizations, but some Linux distros are making waves with low latency and streamlined performance. Next, game compatibility. Windows leads with a massive library of titles and support for popular gaming platforms like Steam, Epic, and Origin. However, modern Linux distros are catching up thanks to tools like Proton and Lutris, and even macOS offers a smooth experience for select titles. What sets an OS apart? Look at features like custom gaming modes, built-in performance boosters, and ease of use. Some operating systems now offer dedicated gaming interfaces, rapid boot times, and seamless updates that keep your system ready for battle. Ultimately, the best OS for gaming depends on your personal setup and game preferences. Windows remains a solid all-rounder for its unparalleled compatibility, while certain Linux distros offer excellent performance for tech-savvy gamers looking for more control. Consider your priorities: speed, compatibility, or customization when choosing your platform. So, which operating system powers your gaming dreams? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quick breakdown, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name for more gaming tech insights, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and may your frame rates be high!